So hi everyone, my name is Eric Levander. I'm the Vice President and General Manager of QCT in Americas. QCT representing Quanta Cloud Technology. Yeah, this is a tough one that we have to address on many levels. So first of all, it's really important that we acknowledge the importance of the sustainability goals. The existential nature of those goals. But then, of course, that is a bit overwhelming for any one of us to do something about or to address. So it's really important that we do something practical about it. And when we look at this, we try to bring our cutting edge technology to good use, make sure that the products that we put forward are built to save energy, to save money, and to make it easy for people to deploy. A good example of this is something that we call the Cool Rack. The Cool Rack is a data center solution with a PUE, which stands for power usage effectiveness of 1.07. That's basically world-leading power usage effectiveness in a solution that anyone can buy. We make it easy for our customers to get to world-leading power usage effectiveness, PUE, and basically save money, save upfront cost, and save the greenhouse gases that the world is being polluted with. So our Cool Rack, easy to deploy, well priced, and saves the planet. A win-win-win. That's how we go about this. Yeah, this is also a kind of question that works on couple of levels. ORAN, Open Radio Access Networks, is important to work on an industry level. And we obviously work with Telecom Infra Project. We work with in the Open RAN Policy Coalition. We work on the OnGo Alliance. So it's really important that we work together as an industry, and we are part of doing that. However, it's also important that we can deliver cutting-edge technology to our customers, and that we put our technology to good use. And that is really what we have done. We've taken, basically we've had 700 engineers that have put together solutions, hardware and software, and taken the experience from the public cloud, where we build highly optimized solutions, and we adopted it to the telco and the edge environment. We've also forged partnerships with people in the industry, and that's really important because this is a closed industry that works well together. What we're bringing is new technology and a new way of doing things, but we're not in any way bringing asking for new players to enter. We're working with the industry. We have a full set of ORAN compliant products. It's CU, DU, and RUs. They can be separated, or they can be put together in end-to-end solutions. And this is kind of important because that means we can be a partner for both end users and for systems integrators that may need to mix and match in this environment. So we have a good set of go-to-market partners in value-added resellers and systems integrators, but we are looking for more. And anyone who's interested in coming and joining our network, please come up and talk to us during the show. Yeah, so this is really about getting critical infrastructure in place to the underserved rural areas. And of course, our 5G products, 5G enterprise products, does exactly that. However, we also got to consider the unique requirements that these areas have. And this is where we've been looking at making sure that there is high uptime so that you don't have to go in and support it, because that can be difficult to support and repair when that is needed. We've worked with management systems that allows, we've built a management system that allows it to be remotely managed, and we have a flexible configuration so that you can actually serve multiple different areas requirements with one type of system. And this is what we have in our Omni Core designed for reliability, our Omni RAN built for configurability, and our Omni View built for manageability. So I think we've done a fair share to really focus on these underserved areas that are difficult to manage. If we take the high level of this question, over the last 10 years, everything has moved to the cloud. Now, the cloud is moving to the edge. As that happens, the networking becomes really, really important. And that is where private 5G has its place. In wireless applications, Wi-Fi can be used, but it's not going to be good enough. Where deterministic performance, where security, low latency, and stuff like that is important, 5G will be the ubiquitous way of driving wireless connectivity. This will revolutionize every industry. There's no doubt about this. It's a matter of time when it happens. The capabilities of the technology that we have in 5G and moving on to 6G is big enough to revolutionize every industry. Normally, these capabilities, as we look at them, are critical for the operational side of enterprise activity. So the factories of a manufacturing company, the store of a retail company, the ports, the management of the in a distributor, it's how you manage the actual flow of products. This isn't really where traditional IT vendors work normally. So instead, we have to work with new vertical experts that are targeted at optimizing and developing the operations of the enterprises. But the technology that we're bringing together is really about built on the IT, cloud, and telco paradigms that we've learned to use. So fundamentally, this is all about bringing new technology to old industries, merging multiple ecosystems with each other. So the IT and vertical ecosystems need to start working together. It's about driving the scale advantages where platforms can be leveraged across several vertical industries. And finally, and probably most importantly, it's about working with end users that truly realize that they need to disrupt or be disrupted. So we're kind of at an inflection point in many industries, and many industries will have to go through this. It's new technology that offers the capability of changing how things are done. And as that happens, there will be tremendous opportunity to make money for all of us. You just have to figure out which part of the ecosystem, which part of the delivery system you want to be in building boxes, connectivity, complete solutions, software, or actually being the end user that drives efficiencies in your operations. So the opportunities to make money are endless in this. It's really about focusing in on what you're good at. Right, so thank you everyone for listening to this. Really appreciate your time. Would love to see you at the show. Our booth is at number 314, and we are open for all your questions, all your business, and all your opportunities. See you there.